and we're hanging out here. It's Mountain Talk. Yeah, still no Adria. Give us a month. So here we are. We've had to actually slow the show down because normally we did it a week ahead. We're waiting because things are changing week by week now.
Yes.
And shopping is getting more interesting. It looks like some toilet paper is seeping back onto shelves.
We did get a toilet paper recently, and we were okay because
we're just at the point where like, it's about time to get toilet paper.
Start buying.
With 3 little kids in the house, it can be fun.
And one's learning to potty train, and he loves to use the toilet paper in the toilet, whether he wants to or not. And then we have a 5-year-old who uses them as flags to go around and do these things. And we're like, no!
It was really fun on Saturday. But anyways, so few things that we're going to talk about today is just a few of the things that you can do with your kids at home or do at home, and so you don't have to go out as much. One is Persnikkity has make your own cupcakes.
Yeah, and they're doing that for Easter this week. And so if you go to the Persnikkity's Facebook page, if she hasn't sold out of them already, I'm sure you can get some more there. It's a pretty neat idea. You can get them in half a dozen or a dozen, depending on how many kids you have. And it's a great thing to do. We've been very fortunate to be able to do some of those things that other businesses have provided, and one was
Kittles. So Kittles is a great thing too. They've got art projects. You go select it, your kids paint it, and then you take them over and get them fired, and I think you get them back eventually. I don't know.
You'll get them back. And then the cool thing about that was when I went in there, people were practicing social distancing, and you start to see people go out with masks on now, just to have that little extra added protection. But Kittles had like 50% off of all their kids' stuff.
Oh, wow.
And so some people and they had paint in there, and so I bought some stuff to bring home to the kids so they have an art table set up behind the couch. And
the kids have taken over the house, but rightfully so. So they're there more, I think, a little bit right now.
Yeah, and then the other thing that we've been able to do is R&R Pizza.
Yeah, R&R Pizza has a pizza kit. So basically you get the dough, you roll it out, you put the sauce on it, you put all the things and everything, you put it in the oven, and it comes out really good.
It was really good. Their bread, their crust was really good, and we got breadsticks, and we fed ourselves for
a couple days. Yeah, it was almost 3 days. Yeah.
Yeah, it was
overbought a little bit, but it was okay.
And the kids had a blast doing it. And each kid, since we bought 3 pizzas, each kid got to make a pizza, so that was pretty neat.
Yeah. So the CDC has recommended that when you're out in public, wear a mask. So it's basically to keep everybody as much. Now, yes, they're saying to use don't go out and buy an N95 mask. That's not what we're looking for. It's either something just to cover your face, and no, that's not going to work like it is in a hospital. The whole idea is just to keep the airflow down between people so people don't get as much passing around. It's just basically keeping yourself as safe as possible and keeping others as safe as possible. And that's what they're recommending.
And it's a good reminder too. When you have that on your face, you're not touching your face.
Have a plan. I said this on another video. Have a plan when you go to the grocery store, you go shopping. It's not the time to go out and look at stuff, okay? No. It just really isn't. Go have a plan, get your stuff, come home. And that's pretty straightforward. One thing we'd like everybody to do is just on your phone, take your phone and video your family, video yourself, whatever. Just a short greeting, thanking the nurses, the stalkers, the people that are helping. Everybody's out there in the front lines is making sure that we're going to be able to have food and we have services. Thank them for what they're doing, and you pick whatever you want. It could be first responders, it could be firefighters, whatever.
Nurses.
Send that into info@birdman.media, or you can message it to me on Facebook. Either way you want to do it, but do it that way, and we're going to make up a video to be posted up here soon.
Yeah, I'm really excited. We're going to have the kids. They're going to make a heart saying thank you and be able to do that. My mom is an ICU nurse, and as a previous firefighter, I have a lot of brothers and sisters still in the fire service, so really want to thank them for what they are doing, and thank the hospital. They've been doing a really good job at getting information out to people.
Yeah, the nurses, I mean, keep in mind, they're right on the front line of people coming in, coughing and everything, so the anxiety is very high. It's high stress right now, so let's do everything we can to make them feel better, feel comfortable, and get us through this. So that's going to be it for today's Mountain Talk. Hey, I'm Birdman.
And I'm Allie.
And we'll see you next week.